The plank was very heavy that was on my shoulders and my shoulders were sore. And of course, हम मेरे और तान्या के बीच में काफ़ी arguments हुए थे उससे पहले. And I don't like her since day one. Neither does she like me. And that's very clear to the audience and I've been very clear about that. तो मैंने उस disappointment में, rage में वो plank निकाला.
दोगला या two-faced कौन है?
तान्या मित्तल. That friendship was my comfort space for both of us, honestly. And जो मेरे दो, 2.5 months निकले हैं smoother than the last few weeks after his eviction was because we were there for each other and we could emotionally find that space to vent out and talk about things. It's stupid of people to assume that a parent would come on national television and tell their child कि इस मुद्दे को उठाओ या इसको पकड़ो. Personally, the body shaming thing has been a very close personal thing for me.
Absolutely.
It's been a journey. मुझे आके लोगों ने बोला कि तूने मारा है. And मैंने बोला मैंने नहीं मारा है because I did not do that. And why would I accept something I have not done? But मैंने तब भी जाते बोला था that I'm sorry that you got hurt, but I did not do it intentionally. My intention was never to hurt her. I am not that person क्योंकि जब फरहाना ने भी प्लेट तोड़ी थी in the same week, I was the first person to go and ask Tanya कि are you okay? Did you get hurt?
Yeah, I think she did say, but I think you were not convinced.
Yeah, because Tanya has always been the kind कि अरे to exaggerate things and all of that stuff. And honestly, I thought that she's just dramatizing things and she's just acting like she's always been acting. And मैंने weekend पे भी ये बोला कि मुझे सच में लगा वो ड्रामा कर रही है.
Hello everybody, I'm Radrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. अभी तो फिलहाल सोशल मीडिया में हर जगह there is massive amount of discussion उनको लेके. उन्होंने घर में डिग्निटी के साथ खेला, उन्होंने अपने opinions भी रखे और उन्होंने खुद की individuality को दिखाया है. Well, it is a shocking eviction of Ashnoor, but we are here to listen to her and listen everything what has happened to her. Thank you for doing this, Ashnoor.
Thank you so much for having me.
I'm saying dramatically shocking, but it is truly shocking, right? What happened? I don't want to ask the question, Ashnoor. I want to tell you, I want to just ask you to describe what is going on in your head right now that you're outside. Your opinions, what happened. We'll go there.
Yeah, I'm still processing, honestly. Because it was like just 1 week till the finale, And when I went inside, of course, I'd gone with the intention of getting the trophy. And I was so close. And the fact that it was very abrupt and sudden. मतलब घर में भी इस चीज़ का इशू कुछ नहीं हुआ. For the kind of person Tanya Mittal is, she creates an issue out of even the smallest things. उन्होंने भी react नहीं किया था इस पे. And it was a very abrupt ending. क्योंकि, in fact, just a day before, me and my friends were talking about inside the house, Pranit and everyone, कि अरे अभी तो finale में हम ये करेंगे, next दिन हम ये करेंगे. And as soon as the episode starts and I get that news. So it was very shocking for me क्योंकि it was never the intention. And I still stand by it. मैंने जाते हुए भी ये बोला था जो कि in fact episode में नहीं आया. Probably it got cut because of course the duration of 1 hour of the episode and all of that stuff. But मैंने तब भी जाते हुए बोला था that I'm sorry that you got hurt, but I did not do it intentionally. My intention was never to hurt her. I am not that person क्योंकि जब फरहाना ने भी प्लेट तोड़ी थी in the same week, I was the first person to go and ask Tanya कि are you okay? Did you get hurt? Body shaming का issue हुआ था. उसके next day ही family week था. She got emotional. I went and I hugged her. Farhana was emotional. I went and I hugged her. I am sensitive to people, to emotions, and I am that. तो अगर कोई मुझे आके ये बोलता भी ना कि यार उसको लग गई है, मुझे आके लोगों ने बोला कि तूने मारा है. And मैंने बोला मैंने नहीं मारा है because I did not do that. And why would I accept something I have not done?
Sorry, you can continue. I think because GK और प्रणीत और आपके बीच में जो पूरा conversation हुआ था, he kept highlighting that नहीं मैंने देखा है.
Yes.
और आप तीनों के बीच में एक अनबन हुई.
Yes. In fact, that unbun started the next day. No, during that same day. उससे पहले वाले task का हम discussion कर रहे थे actually, wherein we pointed out to GK how मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था वो सेफ्टी नेट की तरह चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. एंड it was just the three of us mostly in all the rounds जब हम लोगों को जिता रहे थे in the plank task. And whenever we would discuss कि you know इसको जिताना इसको नहीं, and he would always go to the person जिसको जिताना था. And of course, जिसको हराना था, even I wasn't giving my 100%. I was being a little slow. I wanted my friend to win, be it the Pranit Shehbaz वाला round या फिर GK Malti वाला round and all of that stuff. But we always realized that he's doing that. तो हम in fact उस पे discussion कर रहे थे. And to respond to that, he actually pointed out कि यार Ashnur, but तूने उसको मारा है. So that was कि if you're pointing me out, I'm pointing you out. And that's when he said तूने मारा है, मैंने देखा है. अगर वो मुझे एक भी टाइम उधर बोलते कि अश्नूर उसको लग गई है, मैंने उसको रोल ऑन दिया है, I would have gone to her. But he never pointed that out.
Unfortunately, Tanya did a couple of times come and tell you that. Not in the way that she usually does, but I think she did say, but I think you were not convinced.
Yeah, because Tanya has always been the kind ki to exaggerate things and all of that stuff. And honestly, I thought that, you know, she's just dramatizing things and she's just acting like she's always been acting. And मैंने weekend पे भी ये बोला कि मुझे सच में लगा वो ड्रामा कर रही है. एंड इवन सलमान सर सेड कि हाँ ठीक है, इंटेंशनल नहीं था, या फिर भी आप एक बार चले जाते वो कर लेते. तो माई ओनली पॉइंट बीइंग, अगर मैं छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों पे जाके लोगों को कंसोल कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन बी देयर फॉर पीपल. अगर मेरे वजह से किसी को अनइंटेंशनली लगी भी है, I would be the first person to go and say sorry.
But after the weekend, you went and told her, I am sorry. I know आपने comments देखे होंगे. कुछ लोगों को फिर भी लगता है कि आपने खुद को बचाने के लिए और because violence was such a rule आपने वो किया. But I get the opportunity to ask you. You are obvious now when you heard that, were you really sorry for what happened?
Of course. In fact, उसको genuinely लगी, वो मुझे weekend पे ही पता चला. I did not know that before it. And even though it was not intentional again, and I still stand by it, but unintentionally be, if she got hurt because of me, I don't feel good about it. I feel bad that because of me, she did get hurt.
Ashnur, I saw the post. I think you must be there inside. आपकी टीम में उन्होंने post किया था कि एक context गलत है when you came out. I saw that post on your account. Would you want to elaborate on that? कि अगर मतलब किसी चीज़ का context ना देखे बिना अगर वो करना. And I think आपके पिताजी भी, you know, he's been sharing a lot of edits, right?
Yes.
Where they are saying there is an unfair eviction and they are sharing other visuals. You want to talk about that a little bit? कि आपको भी लगता है, आपको भी similar feelings है इसके बारे में about, I mean of course, जैसे सलमान ने कहा था, अंदर बाहर जब आप आते हो, there were a lot of tweets saying that कोई action लो. पर अभी आपकी तरफ से भी जो फैंस हैं उन्होंने भी काफ़ी सारे एडिट्स डाले हैं, क्लिप्स डाले हैं दूसरों के, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें क्वेश्चन हो रही है. तो मुझे आपके व्यू पॉइंट्स चाहिए उनमें.
See, बाहर आके, yes, I'm seeing a lot of people saying it was unfair and all of that stuff. And inside, I have never watched Big Boss, so I don't know कि physical violence किस लेवल तक लोगों ने की है पास में. अभी I'm seeing the clips. जहाँ तक रही मेरी बात, the plank was very heavy. That was on my shoulders, and my shoulders were sore. And of course, हम मेरे और तान्या के बीच में काफ़ी arguments हुए थे उससे पहले. And I don't like her since day one. Neither does she like me. And that's very clear to the audience, and I've been very clear about that. तो मैंने उस disappointment में, rage में वो plank निकाला. Because of course my shoulders were sore, it was very heavy. मुझे task ख़त्म हो गया था, उसके बाद मैंने निकाला. The round was over. उसके बाद I removed it. And then वो ऐसे depict करना कि अरे उसने मुझे मारा है ऐसे. If you see starting के वीडियो में I'm standing like this because it was heavy on my shoulders and मेरी आंखें भी नीचे हैं. I do not know where she standing. क्योंकि round खत्म होने के बाद obviously you divert, you go elsewhere, you do not get closer to the person. That's what I'm saying कि वो intentional नहीं था and plank was heavy. I just removed it. जहाँ तक रही physical violence की बात, मैं अभी clips देख रही हूँ. And obviously mom's upset, dad's upset. Mom's been watching the show, तो उनको तो और ज़्यादा लग रहा है. Fans भी rage में हैं. But what's happened has happened.
I think your father also put out a post explaining कि आप की जो बातें थी घर में, जब उन्होंने एंटर किया था, उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट कुछ और निकल के आ रहा है लोगों के सामने. I think he felt the need कि वो एक अच्छा खासा एक्सप्लेनेशन दे कि मैंने ये नहीं बोला है कि जाके किसी के साथ कुछ अनफेयर करो या कुछ करो. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट हिज पोस्ट सेड. एंड क्योंकि ये चीज़ घर में भी उठा था. अगर आपने पता नहीं कितने एपिसोड्स देखे होंगे, टाइम मिला है कि नहीं, इट मस्ट बी क्रेजी फॉर यू राइट नाउ. पर जब वो आए थे तब तान्या भी बोल रहे थे कि यार मतलब ऐसा करना, मतलब आई एम फीलिंग बैड कि मुझे इस तरह से बोला जा रहा है. और शहबाज भी एट अ पॉइंट वाज नॉट रियली हैप्पी, सेइंग यार ये तो गलत है किसी को ये करना. सो मे बी इट वाज टंग इन चीक, सो दे फेल्ट लाइक ही वाज बीइंग पर्पसफुली रूड. I want to understand your point of view. आप वहाँ पे थी, and of course, you know, he's put out very gracefully a पूरा explanation कि यार मैंने ये encourage नहीं किया था कि किसी को जाके अटैक करो. और I think ये इसलिए भी पूछा जा रहा है क्योंकि उनके जाने के बाद you know, you kind of changed your personality a little. You know, I think because he said खुल के बातें रखो. So you were seen post that, talking to people, giving even more viewpoints. So maybe there is a connection to what you understood and what the other people are understanding.
So I'll answer both your questions.
हाँ.
First, जो dad ने बोला and that was misinterpreted. I really think it's stupid of people to assume that a parent would come on national television and tell their child कि इस मुद्दे को उठाओ या इसको पकड़ो. Personally, it's the body shaming thing has been a very close personal thing for me.
Absolutely.
It's been a journey, not a good one, and all of that got triggered. And that's when he came and said, basically edit पे क्या हुआ है, हमारी काफ़ी लंबी conversation हो रही है, and उसके पहले का context दिखाया नहीं है. So everything depends on the edit as well. बीच में भी काफ़ी lines edit out हुई हैं, again because of the time limitations or whatever. But उस चीज़ को इससे connect करना कि first my dad's telling me that you know you don't need to focus on the body shaming issues and this and that. Don't let it get to your head. क्योंकि he probably must be seeing कि मैं कम खाने लगी हूँ और and this and that. And then later on he was telling me about how so my nature's on my dad कि you know मैं कम बोलती हूँ, to the point बोलती हूँ, and then I just speak my viewpoints and I let it go. So he's like letting it go. And a lot of times जो छोटे मुद्दे होते थे या जो छोटी poking होती थी, I never really thought it's important to answer them because मुझे वो नहीं लगते थे important मुद्दे. But my dad said that वो बाहर probably एक weakness की तरह perceive हो रहा है. So he just was telling me that you do not let things go when someone's poking you. You answer in your own way the way you've been answering. And that वो दोनों चीज़ों को जोड़ना was very senseless because honestly, my dad's also been working in the corporate world. He knows how the media works. He knows लोगों से कैसे deal करना है. No one's stupid कि वो national television पे आके अपने बच्चे को ये बोलेंगे. And more than that, being a parent, you would not tell your child कि इस चीज़ को पकड़ो. Because that's very, that goes against the morals that my dad has taught me. And रही बात मेरी personality change की, I think लोग इसलिए ऐसा perceive कर रहे हैं क्योंकि Dad came the very next day from the Weekend Ka War. But my mental shift was on the Weekend Ka War when Rohit sir had come and he explained me. And बहुत अच्छे तरीके से he explained me that Ashnoor आप सही point रखते हो. You are very to the point. But the show is such that you need to 10x it. You need to vocalize more. You need to explain yourself more. I just give my statement and I let it go. But he was like, you need to explain it. You need to exaggerate that, elaborate that thing. And that's when I realized that, okay, if this is the requirement, I'm going to take that feedback and work on it. When Dad came, I had a lot of emotional venting out and I felt lighter. And then I could probably be myself. So I emotionally vented out to Dad and I took Rohit sir's advice and I implemented it.
मैंने अभिषेक को पूछा था कि आपको अश्नूर का 2.0 वर्जन कैसा लग रहा है, तो अश्नूर ने कहा था ये तो हमेशा से ही था. आप लोग को अभी दिख रहा है, मुझे पता था वो है. तो we said really? We said हाँ, she is. She's extremely, you know, she stands up where she wants to. और उन्होंने, और जब मैं सब आपको बोल भी रही थी वहाँ पे कि वहाँ पे भी हमने एक राउंड किया था, वैसे भी लोगों का ये हमेशा से बात था कि अभिषेक की वजह से अश्नूर ने दिख रही है. और उनके जाने के बाद you know, a lot of people out there have said that maybe personality उनकी overpower हो रही थी when you're together, which Abhishek of course said that I don't believe it. I don't think that's the truth. मुझे लगता है कि आपका व्यू पॉइंट जानना जरूरी है. बहुत सारा टॉपिक हुआ है ना हमेशा कि इसलिए और दिख रही है क्योंकि अभिषेक की पर्सनालिटी ओवरपावर कर रही थी. पर मुझे लगता है आपसे पूछना ये जरूरी है, हाउ हैव यू विजुअलाइज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट फ्रेंडशिप बियॉन्ड what the world is seeing?
Honestly, that friendship was my comfort space for both of us, honestly. And जो मेरे दो, you know, 2.5 months निकले हैं smoother than the last few weeks after his eviction was because we were there for each other and we could emotionally find that space to vent out and talk about things. रही बात overshadow होने की, I don't really think that's the case. But yes, मुझे ये बाहर आके realize हो रहा है that a lot of the times that I took a stand, I talked to people, वो कुछ नहीं दिखाया है. And again, I guess because of the episode time limitations, I'm not blaming anyone. Of course, वो इतना सब कुछ एक episode में compile नहीं कर सकते हैं. So probably the audience has not seen that before. एंड बाद में वो चीज़ें ज़्यादा दिख रही थी एपिसोड्स में, बट इवन इन द लेटर एपिसोड्स they have just shown my reaction and not the actions जिस पे मैं provoke हुई हूँ. So there has been a lot of to and fro that way कि क्या दिख रहा है बाहर, क्या edit out हो रहा है. So there's a lot of difference in that about what was happening inside the house and जो बाहर जिस तरह चीज़ें दिख रही थी, जो narratives set हो रहे थे probably you know in the audience's minds. So these are two very different things.
I asked Abhishek straight up because you know अभिनूर एक ऐसे मिसाल बन गया दोस्ती की और प्यार के लिए भी. A lot of people are making these romantic edits, which I'm sure is cute in a way. Obviously, I had asked Abhishek, you know, do you think there is a scope? Do you think you have feelings for her? Because I didn't want to dilly-dally or I didn't want to beat around the bush. And he said, नहीं यार, वो दोस्ती बहुत पक्की है. I would like to ask you that straight up question again to kind of you know clarify that.
अरे यार, we are living in 2025.
Sure.
It's not that एक लड़का और एक लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. We are very good friends. He's my best friend, and I really, both of us really value that friendship a lot.
Saw that.
And it's a very pure bond. We are there for each other, and we are always going to be there for each other.
मुझे लगता है बहुत प्यारी बॉन्ड डेफिनेटली थी क्योंकि वो हमेशा उन्होंने आपके लिए साइड लिया जब आप घर के अंदर भी थे. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट यू स्टूड अप फॉर हिम एज वेल.
Yes.
बहुत मुझे लगा ये व्हेन ही मेट यू आल्सो आई वांट टू नो हाउ दैट वाज. आप लोगों ने फोटोज डाले और इट वाज वेरी स्वीट बिकॉज यू नो ऑब्वियसली यू वर अपसेट एंड ही सेंड यू फ्लावर्स एंड
Yes.
लाइक अ गुड फ्रेंड. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
No, he's very considerate that way. He really cares for me. Yeah, so I just think that's what true friendship is, that when your best friend's feeling low, you do whatever you can do to lift them up.
It was quite the reunion, isn't it?
Yes.
I think ये दोस्ती की बातें काफ़ी टाइम तक चलेगी because it's you all really stood by each other. But was it complicated? वो प्रणीत वाला सीन के बाद you were also feeling bad. You two spoke to your father कि आपको undeserving बोल. बाहर of course Abhishek felt very betrayed by प्रणीत because उन्होंने प्रणीत को उन्होंने कहा था first priority और बहुत discussion हुई उस पर. अभी भी चल रही है उस पर discussion. I think आपका opinion जानना ज़रूरी है because I think somewhere you were feeling guilty because you know you were happy for yourself but you were feeling bad for Abhishek.
Yeah.
बहुत tricky situation होता है ये.
Honestly, बाहर आके मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ देखा नहीं है, but I would just say what I felt inside. I was heartbroken. I was very sad because my best friend was going out of the house, and हमारा तो उसी time we got so emotional जब हमें पता चला that हम में से कोई एक तो जा रहा है. So you know, since then it was a very tricky thing for the next few days. I was not in a good mood, of course. But Pranit also saved me. I'm not gonna go on what was right, what was wrong. But I was there in the game still. I was feeling very bad that Abhishek को ऐसे eliminate होना पड़ा. So yeah, I just really think that he was a very strong player and he deserved to stay. And I didn't feel good that he went out of the house.
When Abhishek and you were inside the house, so you all had a discussion about GK. Of course, there's a beautiful bond that all of you all share, but I feel because both of you also wanted to show your individual personalities, so when GK was telling you all something, you all had a discussion that you know we also want to do what we want to believe in.
Yeah.
I think you know what this discussion was. You all had a similar discussion with Pranit being there when Pranit, you and he were there after Abhishek left the house about GK, where you're again trying to say that yeah, आपका opinion हो सकता है. And again when Malti, I think GK became the finalist for ticket to finale task, and you said that you know Malti had told me, and then GK again had opinions on that saying,
Yeah.
but you know why did you expect it from her? ये तीनों incidents जो मैंने mention किया, I want to know what your viewpoints are on that, Ashnoor. What were you feeling about GK at some time? Of course, I can see you all had a beautiful bond,
Yeah.
but I feel at times you all felt a little differently. The moments that
And that's okay, I feel,
Sure.
because just because we are friends or we are in the same group does not mean कि हमारे differences of opinions नहीं होंगे. कई situations ऐसी हुई जब हमारे differences of opinions थे, and I was pretty vocal about it. And just because I'm younger to him, of course there's a lot of respect because वो senior हैं मुझसे, age में बड़े हैं, all of that. In fact, he's almost my mom's age, you know. तो एक वो रिस्पेक्ट है, वो एक दायरा मेंटेन हमने किया हुआ है, बट बिकॉज वी आर इन द गेम एंड इट्स एन इंडिविजुअल गेम, अपने व्यू पॉइंट से चलना, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस से चलना, अपना दिमाग लगाना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड I don't really think I need to explain anything about these three situations क्योंकि उनका एक अपना व्यू पॉइंट था और मेरा अपना व्यू पॉइंट था.
Fair enough. But we really were extremely sad to see about that entire body shaming and how what you went through and how emotional. I want to say, I hope you're doing okay. And how did you tackle that inside? जब आपके साथ हो रहा था, because जब एक personal journey चल रही होती है अपने health की and all of that, and then someone does that to you, and it is hurtful.
Yeah, it is. Of course, it is. It was very tough, and I'm in a better space now. I just feel that जिस तरह मैंने I said what I had to say on the Weekend Kavar in the show. People must have seen that. And now all I would want to say is that there was a phase which was a dark phase in my life, and I've overcome that now. I love myself more. I am more confident. And I just think कि यार आप जैसे भी हो, you need to love yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, you can't expect people to love you. So you need to see that light within you. And everybody has a beautiful body. Just because there are some unrealistic beauty standards set, 0 figure, या ये या वो, you're only beautiful if you're slim. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And you just need to gracefully accept yourself.
You're beautiful inside out, Ashnoor. You don't like. There is no doubt about that. I'm going to end it by doing a very quick thing. I do it with most of them. You all often घर में आप लोगों ने बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया है टैग्स देने के लिए सबको. अब तो प्रैक्टिस ही हो गई.
Rapid fire.
Rapid fire. Huh?
Okay.
I'm going to give you tags which you all have done this multiple times in the house.
Okay.
But today now that outside the house से you'll have to give me your. I'll give you tags. You have to tell me किसके लिए suit करता है, and you'll have to give me a one-line reason explaining it.
Okay.
आपने नाम क्यों लिया? Unfair ना if you don't give a reason.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm always ready.
Oh, I love it. Okay. दोगला या two-faced कौन है?
Tanya Mittal. I don't need to explain that.
Who according to you is a छुपा रुस्तम आपको लगता है?
जीके.
क्यों?
उन्होंने हमेशा मेंशन किया है दैट वो हमेशा दिमाग को दिल के ऊपर रखते हैं एंड ही प्लेज वेरी प्रैक्टिकली. सो आई थिंक ही इज प्लेइंग द गेम वेरी वेल.
असली प्लेयर कौन है?
जीके.
जीके. सेम रीजन?
सेम रीजन.
ओके. सच में टॉक्सिक कौन है?
कैन आई रिपीट नेम्स?
Sure.
Tanya Mittal. Toxic because I might even have said Farhana, but she's not toxic. Oh no, actually I would say Malti. I would say Malti is toxic क्योंकि वो जो narratives खुद play कर रही हैं, she's just trying to project that on other people कि अरे ये outfit या वो outfit या saying that, oh, you're 21, so I'll let you go, but then also abusing me in another fight. So I think that's very hypocritical and she is very, very toxic.
घर के बाहर आप किससे दोस्त बन सकते हो? जो आपके दोस्त अंदर है, we know. Pranit, Abhishek, GK. Anybody else you want to add?
Mridul?
Mridul, of course.
Yes. Aves, Nagma, Natalia.
So that stays the same.
Yes.
But outside the house, after you stayed for the last couple of days, जब आप काफी मतलब काफी लोग बाहर आ गए थे, who do you think you all could actually be friends and you have probably misunderstood or not understood that person very well?
I think Basir and I were pretty amiable. So Basir. Amal ke saath, it's been an up and down. But towards the end, he was like, you're like my little sister and all of that stuff. So maybe Amal. Zishan sir, I already had, an interaction with. So yeah, these people.
BFF कौन है?
Abhishek, of course. No doubt. अरे पूछने वाला सवाल ही नहीं है.
Of course, on that note, thank you so much for being who you are and thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.